What is not AI? Every automated gadget around us is not necessarily AI based. The following are some examples of gadgets that are not AI based. Fully automatic dishwasher. It can work on its own but requires input from humans. You can select different parameters and commands, and based on your choices, the necessary action is taken. Hence, it is an example of automation and not AI. IP-enabled security cameras. They can be accessed remotely with the help of the internet but still need a human touch. So, it is an example of the Internet of Things, IoT. Robots. They are generally considered intelligent, but some robots that can only perform one task based on a specific instruction. These robots are extremely efficient, but they are not intelligent. For example, industrial robots are built for one type of task only, and they cannot perform anything else.